Best Open Source Firewalls in 2023. PfSense. PfSense is an open-source, custom kernel based on FreeBSD, a free firewall that protects vital corporate networks against intrusions and attacks. Numerous organizations rely on PfSense to prevent unauthorized or malicious individuals from accessing sensitive information. Key features of PfSense: server load balancing, network address translation, high availability, real-time monitoring, limited connections, IP port filtering, dynamic DNS. IPFire. IPFire is a Linux-based firewall that provides an advanced level of network security for corporate companies. It provides extensive protection and avoids any attack through DDoS and the Internet. Key features of IPFire: time server, DHCP server, dynamic DNS, virus scanner, intrusion detection system, WakeOnLAN. Untangle. Untangle is an advanced open-source firewall solution that provides a host of security functionalities and solutions to modern digital brands. Also, Untangle delivers a secure and powerful environment for company digital networks. Key features of Untangle: intrusion prevention, virus blocker, firewall functions, ad blocker, spam blocker, OpenVPN, web monitoring. ViOS. ViOS is an open-source firewall network solution designed to operate on a Linux distribution system. As a result, it is one of the few open-source firewall products with a unified interface for managing all functions. Key features of ViOS: S-Flow and NetFlow, quality of service policies, dynamic and static routing, tunnel interface, URL and web proxy filtering, network address translation. Endian. Endian is a turnkey Linux security dispersion that can change any unsecured device into a unified threat management arrangement. Endian is intended to be the most straightforward security software to install, design, and use. Key features of Endian: stateful firewall, antivirus, multi-one, quality of service, intrusion prevention, Smooth Wall Express. The Smooth Wall Express open-source firewall delivers 7 layers of application control and can be a part of or be a standalone package. Also, the Smooth Wall firewall can be combined with the Smooth Wall filter to provide organizations with a complete package for securing their online activities. Key features of Smooth Wall: bandwidth management, link and load balancing, network address translation, intrusion detection and prevention, outbound filtering, port forwarding. OpenSense. OpenSense is an open-source, simple-to-utilize, and simple-to-build hardened BSD-based firewall and routing platform. It incorporates most of the components accessible in costly business firewalls, and more. OpenSense offers week-by-week security upgrades with augmentations to respond to new threats. Key features of OpenSense: traffic shaper, two-factor authentication, captive portal, support for plugins, DNS server and DNS forwarder, DHCP server and relay, dynamic DNS. IP tables. IP tables is one of the well-known utility and best open-source firewall for Linux applications that provides a system administrator the controls and options to configure and analyze the network statistics. It is actually developed with the Linux kernel firewall, and not only that, even it also has its own strings and stores as well. Key features of IP tables: chain-related operation on 3 built-in chains, target disposition, match operation on the TCP and UDP header fields,